Okay, so last time I did Pets and Max, but today I'm going to try out a new game, which I've actually never played before, and it's the Grimace story. And I'm with my friend Nadeem today over here in the corner, so I'm going to give this game a try and see if I survive whatever happens. Okay. Okay, the game started. Let's see what happens now. Okay, this is taking a while. Guess they're splitting us up into different servers now. Imposter. Okay, so there's this guy named Shane. Come over to your house. Okay, that's I can see there's soccer. So people are playing soccer here. Or I don't know if that wastes energy, but I'm gonna try. Okay, I was about to score a goal there, but I guess it stopped before then. I guess this is house now. Welcome to my home, friends. Yes. Okay, let's eat first. And we can go get grimace shakes. What is that thing in the sandwich? Okay, I'm not voting that thing. Pizza wins? Okay. Ooh, pizza is the best. Okay. Objective, go to the kitchen. I already am in the kitchen, so. Eat up. Okay, let's take this pizza here. I guess it goes away after one, so I guess that's kind of, I don't know. Let's see. What does he say? Mamma mia. It's time. Okay, this is creepy. Time for the launch of the Grimace Shake. Roblox will be destroyed. Okay, what? How? And what does that mean? Take a seat in one of the chairs. That's fine. One click here. What is so? Why are there so many people here? Okay. Per Elizabeth. Emperor Elizabeth the movie. Oh, what is that thing? Purple blob. Ugh. Drink the shake if you dare. Don't say I didn't warn you. Okay. Weird. What was his hair? Please show what will happen. Pick a friend of yours. Okay. Who should I get? I don't know. I really don't know who should I pick. I'm just gonna pick somebody random. This guy here. This imposter for what? That guy? And he died. Okay. Now we're all next. Oh, okay, that's so creepy. I'm just gonna get out of here right now. Should I just say, yeah, I'm gone. Oh, I'm just running in circles now. Which way should I go? Maybe I don't know. Up here? Should I be safe? And the lights are turning. I don't know where to go. Oh, it's so confusing. Like, should I hide up there? Should I swim back to people? It's so confusing. Or I'm gonna pick a bed, really. Okay, that's my bed now. I don't know what to do. Like, do you need to do something so you don't die in the game, or what? Oh, come on. Like, what do I do? I'm just running in circles now. Climb on the bookshelf? I just kidding. I wanted to skip. Oh, it's just a prank. What are those pens? Anyway. Okay, I wanted to. This whole thing was just a prank. If you wish to find me, look for the first clue in the forest. You better bring a shake. I don't have a shake. Okay, anyway. What just happened? Grimace is real. We must stop everyone from making him drink everyone's. Wait, what now? We must stop him before he controls the world. He said there would be a clue in the forest. Let's go there. Okay, now we're being teleported somewhere. In a dark forest, and I don't know. Seems like everyone's going this way. So I'm just gonna follow everyone else to wherever. Follow Chain. Is Chain behind me? It seems like I'm getting further from Chain, but oh yeah. Should I go behind him, or I don't know. Okay, seems like Chain's going this way. So I'm just gonna follow him. Seems like these lights go somewhere. And we have a cabin. The clue has to be in there. Side. Okay, we're in this old, creepy cabin. I have my flashlight on. What's the time? Oh, wait. I guess if you don't get in the cabin, you die. So, luckily, I'm in the cabin right now. Start searching for a clue about Grimace. Let's see here. Found clue. Who found that? Clue 1, I am not alone. You'll be transported to my world. Seriously, do wonder it's. Oh. Are we trapped in a hole? Look, the roof is open. We need to climb out. Oh yeah, it is open. I can see some stars. Check for a lever or button anywhere. Oh, where's the lever? Ooh, stairs. Okay, this should be easy. Okay, let's go. Okay, I shouldn't be waiting down here. Let's go. I'm going to want to do this carefully so I don't fall down. Because even though it looks easy, there could be something. Oh, that's pretty easy. Let's jump up here. No, what? Why? That hole was so. I didn't realize that. It's so dark, can't see anything. I need to get up there quick and. Dang, I died. Okay, so now I have to wait till this. I don't know. Do I get? I don't think I get to go in there unless I buy Robux. Well, I really do wonder what happens if I survive. So, I wonder what happens when I survive. So I guess I'm gonna have to, do another video.